So today I'm going to be working on a 2017 Hyundai Sonata. The customer brought this car in, said that it was shaking, check engine light came on. I haven't checked any codes or anything, they just dropped it off. So I'm going to diagnose it with you and figure out what the problem is. Go ahead and plug this OBD in. And we're gonna scan these codes, see what comes up. So we do have one DTC. Figure out what that is, read codes. And it's a misfire on cylinder 4. Same codes, current, pending, and permanent. So it's likely going to be an ignition coil, probably spark plugs. I'm gonna check the plugs, and then we'll go from there. So this car has 87,000 miles on it, and it has a misfire on cylinder 4. And I suspect the ignition coil. Most likely that's what it probably is. If not, then I'm gonna check the spark plug and then we'll go from there. But a quick, easy way to check the ignition coils is to just unplug the connector with the engine running. If the engine idle changes, then you'll know that's a good ignition coil. And if the idle stays the same, then that's the bad ignition coil. You can also swap ignition coils to see if the code changes places. So we're gonna do that right now. That one's good, that one's falling up. And did that one? It's falling up. So coil 1, 2, and 3 are definitely good. It just stalled out on the third one. Alright, now we got number 4. Alright, so this coil is unplugged and it's running the exact same. So ignition coil 4 is bad. I'm gonna let the customer know, see if she wanna replace it. I'm pretty sure she will. And then we'll go from there. I might check the spark plugs too and see the condition of them. All right, so the customer approved that ignition coil, so we're gonna be replacing that. And also they approved a valve cover gasket replacement and also to replace all 4 spark plugs. So we're gonna get that done and it should be running a lot better after. All right, so we're gonna start by removing this engine cover. Alright, so now you want to tighten the spark plugs down. You don't need them overly tightened, so just snug them up, and that should do. That's good right there. So you don't need to put crazy effort into torquing this down. You just want to just tighten up. Now, once you pull this high pressure fuel pump out, it will be leaking gas. So have you another rag ready. And we will be replacing cylinder 4 ignition coil since it's bad. Now we do have to remove this wiring harness. So we have 3 10mm bolts that need to come out. Get it cleaned up, and then put the new gasket in there. Okay, so this is the new ignition coil that is going to fix our misfire. Take a flashlight and double check around everything, make sure everything is plugged in so you don't get any engine codes. Just double check your work, and then we're gonna start it up. All right, so now I'm gonna delete these codes, start it up, and hopefully our issue is solved. So the engine is idling much better now. The engine light is off. And we repaired the vehicle, so I'm sure the customer will be happy about that. I'm gonna let them know so they can come pick it up. Thanks for watching.